Hi everyone, so this is me doing a video after 2 years. So many people have so many questions regarding my tumble dryer. So this is the box. It has, you can see it's empty, there's nothing in it. So just open it up, and this is all the clothes. They're basically wet. Just took it out from the washing machine. I used to have this tumble dryer inside the house, and now I have it inside the garage. It's just that it works better for me. So closing the door, and then this will go on. So this is the setting: 1, extra dry, cupboard dry, and then here's your starting button. So cupboard dry, it basically dries completely, and then I just need to fold it up and put it away. So then you press this. This is running now. See, start, pause, running. It's on for 3 hours, but you can change the timing. So like you have 60 minutes, 40 minutes, 20 minutes, and then shirts and jeans and whatever, baby care. The reason why I just put it on the cupboard dry and for 3 hours is because I have like all type of clothes inside the dryer. So it's not just like little bit of clothes, it's actually like 1 week worth of washing. So then it gets dried fully, and I don't have to like put it on the heater or anything like that afterwards. Even for like 5 minutes, I just straight away I just fold them up and put it away. So that's the advantage of it. So last night I forgot to take it out. Well, actually I didn't forget, it was night time, so I didn't bother coming back. As you can see, the clothes are dry. See, so dry and lovely. Jacket's dried. Everything's dried. And then another step is I'm going to see how much water it has stored. Oh my god, there's the water. Can you see? Oh! That's me in the garden. Yeah, I'm cool. So it's empty now. I'm going to put it back in. Maya.
Hello, I love you.
So now I'm putting it back in. So imagine all this water would go inside your bowl.
Hi, this is my mum.
So now the clothes are done, I'm going home. Let's go home. Once again, just wanted to show you how dry it is. There you go. So dry.